Looks like I just created my masterpiece. Baked chicken and protein waffles. You're gonna need chicken, breadcrumbs, egg, smoked paprika, salt. Begin by preheating your oven to 425 degrees. Take some parchment paper, lay it on a baking tray. Put half a cup of breadcrumbs in one bowl and 1 beaten egg in the other. It's okay, beat that thing. Once you're finished, go ahead and take the smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon, and the teaspoon of salt, put it together with your breadcrumbs, and mix, mix, mix. Now take your 8 ounces of chicken and first dip it in your beaten egg and then in your breadcrumbs. Once you're finished, go ahead and put it on the pan. Once that's done, put it in your oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Now let's make the waffles. Whey protein, Greek yogurt, eggs, baking powder, cinnamon. Begin by putting your 2 eggs in a bowl, 2 heaping tablespoons of Greek yogurt next, 2 scoops of whey protein, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything up together well. Go ahead and put some non-stick spray on your waffle maker. If you don't have a waffle maker, go ahead and put them on a pan on your stovetop for some pancakes. And go ahead and let them set for about 3 to 4 minutes depending on your waffle maker. Now let's check on our chicken. Golden brown, perfect. So let's go ahead and put it on top of the waffles, cover it in a little bit of agave, and you're done. Baked chicken and protein waffles. These are awesome. Now if you excuse me, I'm gonna take a moment to eat these bad boys.